Developing a competitive Horizon Europe Pillar 2 proposal typically involves months of effort across multiple institutions, and at a cost of between €50,000 and €150,000, making the right decisions early is everything. Here's how to use ReviewIQ for Horizon Europe Pillar 2 to make smarter funding decisions from day one. First, log into your Crowdhelix account. Navigate to the Resources tab and click ReviewIQ. Select Horizon Europe Pillar 2 as your proposal type. This brings you to Concept Validation, the entry point for all ReviewIQ for Horizon Europe Pillar 2 features. You have two options. Upload a completed Crowdhelix expression of interest form in PDF format, or enter your research concept and target funding call manually. ReviewIQ for Horizon Europe Pillar 2 measures how well your project aligns with the EU goals of your chosen Horizon Europe Pillar 2 call. It shows you exactly where your concept is strong, where gaps exist, and provides targeted tips for achieving stronger alignment before the heavy work of proposal writing begins. With your concept validated, move to Consortium Building. Describe the type of partners and expertise you are looking for, and ReviewIQ for Horizon Europe Pillar 2 searches Crowdhelix's database of 20,000 experts to identify the most relevant collaborators for your project, saving weeks of outreach and helping you build a consortium that meets the expectations of EU evaluators. Finally, Event Suggestion uses your research concept to identify upcoming Crowdhelix events where you can pitch your idea and connect with potential partners in person. It also surfaces recordings of relevant past Crowdhelix events, so you can engage with the right conversations whenever it suits you. You can return to concept validation at any time to revise your input or upload an updated expression of interest form. Your updated concept will flow through automatically to Consortium Building and Event Suggestion. ReviewIQ for Horizon Europe Pillar 2. Stronger proposals, smarter decisions, less time. Log into your Crowdhelix account to get started.